So my darling little Splashy is in heat, and I thought you Splash fans might like to hear what I have to go through when she's in heat. And I should add, no animals were harmed in the making of this. Are you dying? That's very sad. Poor Splashy. She lives a very sad life. You can see. See her very, very sad, lonely little self. No friends. No nice big pen to go play in. It's a hard life. It's a hard life. Zenith is in heat too, but she's being a little more easy to live with. Yes, you are. You're a good bug. Alright, so that's that. Bye, Splash.